Hello. So today we are gonna be reviewing an entire system, a beauty system. I don't think I've ever done anything like it before with like beauty gadgets and stuff. So the LG pra.l consists of 4 devices, 4 cutting edge technology devices, and it's basically for you to do your facials and all of your treatments and stuff at home so that you don't have to visit the beauty therapist or like facial spots and that sort of thing. It's a very interesting concept and definitely something that I've seen people do in like a budget sort of way, but this one is really luxurious. It's really like high-tech and it's meant to last a really long time. So I'm gonna review all 4 of these products because I have them with me. LG just recently launched it last month and I've had the privilege of trying it out ever since it came out. Heads up, I've only been able to try this for like 1 to 2 weeks, so I can only give you like a first impressions review. For most of the products, they do say that it takes like a minimum of 6 weeks to see like real visible effects, but I've been using it and I do notice some differences and I can tell you about like the experience and stuff. The prices of these may make some of y'all gasp because these are quite expensive. Think about like Foreo and Clarisonic and those sort of like beauty devices. They usually cost upwards of a couple $100s. So all of these products do retail from like 400 to like above. Maybe like 1.3 is the highest that we're going today. And I do recognize that these are expensive, but you do also have to think about like cost per use, cost per wear, and factoring the ease and convenience of doing all of these treatments at home and doing it consistently versus going to a facial therapist sort of situation. So that's what I'm really thinking about. These products do also largely target anti-aging, so it's meant for, I would say, maybe people in the 30s, 40s, 50s can try it out. I'm trying it out as a younger, like 20 something, so I can also give you my opinion on that. But just to bear in mind, that is the sort of age range that the product targets. I'm using a lot on my hands, but hey. I have this pamphlet and I have all of the boxes, so I can show you all the boxes and the stuff that it comes in, what it comes with, and I'm gonna be referring to this quite a lot because it's a lot about like technology and I don't want to get it wrong. So, this is crazy. So this is the Iron Man mask that you can... I'm just kidding. Okay, this is a mask though. This is the LED Derma Mask and it retails for 1.3k. This is meant for skin brightening and sort of improving the texture of your skin. It resurfaces like all your cellulose blocks. So instead of being like uneven and sort of like dehydrated and like it goes back to like being very buoyant, like a very smooth surface, which helps with like the glow and the shine. This area you can actually see through. It's very exciting. Look at this. This is like this. It automatically turns off if it doesn't detect your face being there, but I'm gonna try and like hide the sensors and see if it works. Okay. Look at that. It has a total of 160 red LED lights and infrared lights. So this mask improves the firmness and your skin tone through the complex like red and infrared wavelengths, penetrating deep into the subdermal skin layer. So that was what I was talking about, okay? This is FDA approved in the US, so this gives you the optimal amount of light for the optimal amount of time so that you won't get any skin damage. That was initially what I was sort of concerned about because the red does seem very intimidating. There's also this eye shield design, so this entire thing is like a soft suction. It doesn't like suck on your skin or tug on it, but it does sit on your skin very nicely, and this is made out of silicone. It's 9 minutes, right, for one treatment, so you turn it on, it goes on for 9 minutes. I put it on and I'm usually like watching YouTube. I just watch like Bon Appetit and like 9 minutes fly by. And because I am forward, as you can see, it's already heavy, it's already tilting forward, so I find that it does slip off. So they do give you these like silicone sort of like wrap situations, and then you have Velcro straps at the back that sort of just tighten it, and then your head is secure. This is what the dock looks like. You can charge this at the dock, plug it in, and then you turn it on and all that. In the box, it actually comes with a pouch. Ta-da! They say that one charge lasts you about 2 weeks. You know, the funny thing is, when I first got this, I was like, you know, usually for night skincare, I'm very fast. I just sort of like blah, 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 like put all the stuff on my face and then I'm off to sleep. The idea of adding like 9-10 minutes of all of these things, especially because there are multiple devices, right? I was worried. I was like, I'm not gonna like this because I'm just a lazy person in general, but I gotta say, I really enjoy it. I really am not forcing myself when I just use I use this shit for fun. Like seriously, the first time I was using it, I was like, oh my god, 9 minutes cannot pass sooner enough. Like I can't wait. Yesterday when I was trying it, I completely sort of like, oh, We're done? Okay. So it does feel shorter and shorter every time you put it on just because you get used to it. You get used to how it's positioned on your face as well, especially on your eyes. And it does sit very well. You do have to adjust it sometimes, but it's not been a problem. So I did get a set of like these Sum 37 skincare products with the LG to test out. This one you pair it with a moisturizing gel cream, sort of like moisturizer situation. I've used it with the Sum 37, but I wanted to also use my own usual skincare routine stuff because I didn't want the changes and the positive effects to be thanks to the Sum 37, because Sum 37 is a very good and very luxurious brand. So I was like, okay, let me try my own stuff. I've topped everything off with a sleeping mask. I've topped everything off with a facial oil or just moisturizer. Everything's been fine so far. At the end of a skincare routine, it really does feel like I'm pampering myself more. And even at the end, like when I really quickly take off the mask to look, it does feel and look very firm. And I'm shocked because I'm 23. I don't exactly have like sagging skin, but it does look dull sort of, especially when I'm tired. And at the end, I just feel like, you know how oily skin gives you that sheen, but there's no oil on the skin? So it's that sort of sheen from like within. So I quite like it. And I was just thinking, like, wouldn't it be so fun if I was still living with my mom and my mom can also, like, you know, use this? And so you sort of split the cost into two. And then you split the cost by like cost per use, you know? Because obviously like two people can use this lah. It's not like super unhygienic, right? Just for maintenance, I've had to like sort of wipe the shield just with like a piece of tissue because sometimes like, you know, eye cream and stuff, it does get a little bit oily and like sheeny and glossy. I can sort of equate this to like maybe a laser treatment or, you know, that sort of thing. I do see myself like continuing to use it because it's just a very nice way to almost have a wind down time. When I put this on and I have that 9 minutes and I'm just watching a YouTube video in my bed, I'm like ready to go to sleep, but I know I'm like doing something for my skin, and like since I have it, why not use it, right? So that's the sort of mindset that I have. I don't know if I'll continue to have it, but I think I will. Alright, okay, I'm back. If you hear noises over there, it's my brother eating. He just came over, so I made him something to eat. Okay.
Yeah.
There, it's on the left, close, yes, on the left. Careful! I think I have Ribena, you can make some on your own.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. This is the next item. This is the Galvanic Ion Booster. And this is my favorite. That's why I'm throwing it in on the second one. I really like the mask too, but I think this is my favorite. This is what it looks like. It's basically to help with like deeper penetration for moisturization and like absorption of all of your nutrients and the skincare stuff that you put in your skin. It uses, no surprise, galvanic ion technology to really like... So it does two things. There's a cleansing mode and there's also a boost mode. And for cleansing mode, oh boy, it basically uses... Okay, wait, let me check this. Let me fact check this. Cleansing mode is designed specifically for deep pore cleansing. Oh my god. Applying thermal therapy to temporarily loosen and open up all of the pores. It does feel warm and nice. And because this is just so smooth and it's like a metal, it just feels very, very nice. It just feels really great. You know how like in facials where they do like something that feels really nice and you're like, oh my god, I wish it can last forever. It really does. It does. So you can, oh, it's really fun. And basically you need your palms to like be touching this so that you, I guess, charge your own ion. So it knows like what's your positive, negative. I don't know lah. I'm not a scientist, okay? I didn't make this shit, but feels nice. So you use it first right after cleansing. It draws out all of your impurities and it detoxes your skin essentially. You do have to apply like any sort of moisturizing gel. You can use aloe vera gel. You can also use like a skin softener, you know, any one of those like gel sort of type ingredients. And then after that, you just rinse your entire face with like normal tepid or like lukewarm water, room temperature water, and then you can go back to doing like all of your other skincare routines, and you can use the boost mode after. So what the boost mode does is the literal opposite of the cleansing mode. It basically uses heat therapy and the what is that called? Thermotherapy to really like penetrate into your pores and into like the deeper layers of your skin and send all of the good skincare ingredients further in. It's permanently set on boost mode because I don't really like to use the cleansing mode, especially because I have everything in my bedroom and it's away from the sink. I don't like the idea of like doing half of your skincare and washing it off and then coming back and doing more. So I only use the cleansing like maybe once or twice per week. I've only used it twice and I can't say for sure if it's like fantastic or not, but I use the boost mode almost every single day. It doesn't start until you sort of put it against your skin. Oh, and I can already feel it. It's warm and then it has like slight vibrations and you can hear the zip 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 sort of feeling. And I take it and I do this. Okay, ready? They do teach you how to do it properly, you know, with a beautiful like perfect skin looking like Korean model that teaches you like the directions. But I basically do this twice, do this, up, bum, bum, bum. And then I sort of go around my chin area because I really do want the ingredients to go into my chin because that's where I get the most congestion. And then with the nose, I go up and then down, up and then down. And the great thing about the design of this is that these sides here also do get a little bit warm, and this is great for little crevices. And then I go up. And then if there is more time, because it's a 3-minute sort of like rotation, right, I do go onto my neck and like just below my jawline to boost in the stuff. And because this feels so chill, I really love doing it. And it's just sort of an added tool to really like, you know, lock in your serum. So I use this during all of my serums and active ingredients sort of zone. I've used it with vitamin C. They recommend you do that. It's really fantastic. You can sort of use it in the morning, but I usually just use it at night. So again, like all of the products, it's super easy to use because of the voice assistant, and it's not too loud that it's like really jarring and awkward. You just turn it on.
Pra.l. Boost cleansing mode on. Boost mode on.
And it'll be like boost mode off or like boost mode complete, and then you're like, okay, great, thanks. And then you just wipe it down. I don't even like sanitize it. I will probably do it like once a week or once every 2 weeks. It's on a clean face, it's with clean products, so I just take a tissue and I just make sure that it's really clean. And then there is a cover. So this is the charging port / stand. You can put it like just on the stand without, it does stand. But if you want to charge it, this is how it looks. Again, the USB-C to like the USB cable. So it's great because if you do want to travel, first of all, one charge lasts you about 2 weeks and you can use it without charging. You can essentially use the same dock and the same cable for both of these things. And I haven't introduced it to y'all yet, but okay, let me do that right now. This head, by the way, is also titanium. It's medical grade. It's what they use for like surgical implants and stuff, and it's definitely very safe, and that justifies the price, for me at least. Has a good weight to it, but not too heavy. It feels very sleek and it feels very nice, and I really like it. It retails for $529. So you saw a sneak peek of this just now. This is the Total Lift Up Care, and this was something that I was initially a bit like, is it really for me? Because this is meant to tighten and lift your skin, and I'm not at that age yet where I am really concerned about sagging skin, but prevention is better than cure. Everyone's been telling me like, girl, anti-aging stuff, you can use it as early as like 24, 25 to make sure that your skin maintains its elasticity, and this is not really invasive, so I was like, okay, let's try it. So the Total Lift Up Care focuses on deep tissue tightening and firming, so the same sort of deep heat effect and the high frequency currents and red LED wavelengths to improve skin firmness, and it also does have microcurrents to stimulate the skin tissue and muscle. And similar to the Galvanic Ion Booster, there are actually two different modes. There's a tightening mode and lifting mode. So there's a total care mode that goes from the tightening mode to the lifting mode, and there's only just like lifting mode and then tightening mode, so you can choose whatever you want. So you definitely need to use it with a water gel base or an ultrasonic wave gel, and I usually do use the same sort of gel as I use with the Galvanic Ion Booster, like the cleansing mode. It's just to provide a barrier, and they say that you have to apply it to the product as well in case it might be too strong, you might damage your skin, that sort of thing. So I take it very seriously. I put like a lot. And then similar to the Ionic Booster, I just go blamp, 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 and then blamp. Usually almost right on time. Even though I'm not timing myself, it goes into the next mode. I don't use it every single day, definitely, and this one does sit in the bathroom because I do wash it off right after. Since I've only used it once or twice, I can't really say if I see like visible results or if it's life-changing or that sort of thing. I do notice that the product used in this technology is very similar to the sort of microcurrent heat therapy as the Galvanic Ion Booster and the red LED lights from the mask. I don't know if anyone would get all 4 products, but I think if you're just sort of delving into it and your main concern is tightening, lifting, and brightening, maybe you can get this. If you're not that focused about toning and lifting and tightening, then maybe you can look at the other products, and this one you can maybe give it a miss, because to me, like, this is not something that I'm super excited about. Finally, we move into the dual cleanser. So this is something that I feel like most people are familiar with. You've seen Clarisonics, you've seen Foreos. This one has the best of both worlds. Alright, so this is the dual cleanser right here, it looks like this. Let me show you how it sits in the stand because it's actually quite cool. When the stand detects that the handle is actually in, this light actually turns on and sanitizes the product, which is very, very nice. And that's something that I actually really like. It's one of my favorite things because I feel like with the Foreo, so I have the Foreo, they don't have the sanitizing aspect of it, and I feel like when you sanitize your products, you get to use it for a lot longer. And this basically mimics that rubberized texture that's perfect for like daily gentle cleansing that the Foreo has. You can just pop it out, it's a changeable brush head, and you can put this, which is ultra soft, very fine bristles. It's really, really soft. I don't want to be too close to the lens because it's very wet and it's like, you know, flicking water everywhere. And so those are the two heads. I'm gonna pop it back on. It's just so simple, and it automatically detects which head you're using. So if it detects that you're using the rubberized one, it'll just vibrate. If you're using the fiber one, it will automatically spin.
LG pra.l. Beginning 120-second cleansing. Left cheek.
And then it'll just sort of vibrate like this. So with this cleanser, it's really fast and it's really simple because it tells you exactly where to hit. You do it in small concentric circles. I do it left cheek, blah blah blah, and then right cheek, and then blah blah blah. You can also switch up the levels to do it in 70 seconds instead of 120. I personally prefer 120 because I like to, like, you know, take my time to go through and make sure that I didn't miss any spots. This is also IPX7, which is completely waterproof, meaning you can use it in the shower, and I almost exclusively use this in the shower just because it's so much faster. You know, you're like washing your body, wash your face, do it all at the same time. It's cool. So this retails for $4.99, which is the most affordable out of everything. And to get two different heads, you know, you can interchange it with the sanitizing pod. And like I said, one charge lasts you 2 weeks. There's a voice assistance, that sort of thing. So I do really like it. It's very intuitive and very simple to use. I've been using it every single day. I don't see any irritation. It's quite easy to just, like, you know, move around and get into all of the crevices and your nose area especially. So yeah, those are all of the products. I really like that they have a very long battery life and they look so sleek, and it's very sort of targeted towards different things. So if you're concerned about maybe just anti-aging or maybe just about like cleansing, you can use the different gadgets for your different products, parts of your skincare. It is really innovative, it's travel friendly. I'm really quite pleasantly surprised. I think when it comes to like beauty treatments, we always trust like the hands of the professionals and we trust their fancy technology. But when you take that fancy technology and you make it into something that's very ergonomic and very easy and clear and simple to use, it's very easily incorporated into your daily skincare routine, and then you basically get the salon type of treatment at home. So I really do enjoy it. I hope you guys like my first impressions review. Let me know if you want to see an update to this. I'll definitely be able to do that. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, so don't forget to turn on that bell, you know, be notified when I make a new video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye! Yes, I'm just doing a thumbnail now. You can make all the noise you want, buddy. Alright. Okay.
Can I wash your bowl?
Hey, thank you so much. Wow. So responsible. Is it because you're 18? To the camera? Come in. Say hi. Don't finish all of it.
I didn't finish all of it.
Oh my gosh. Daniel wants to see how I look like with the mask on. I think I owe y'all that too. Okay. I'm not gonna turn it on because
Oh my god.
Do you think I look cool?
That's like some Daft Punk shit.
Rock on, man. Do you know that I can see you?
You can see me?
Yeah, I can actually see you.
What the hell?
I know. It's you wanna try it?
Yeah.
Okay, just put it on.
Oh my god, how does it work? Whoa.
Do you want me to turn it on?
Okay.
Okay, just be prepared, okay? There are red LED lights, not in your eyes, but around your face. I'm just gonna turn it on for like 10 seconds for you to feel it. Come in, come in. So that people can see you. Ready? Alright, ready?
I'm getting out nervous.
Okay, ready? Go!
Starting care.
Oh,
Please get comfortable.
Please get comfortable.
I'm not comfortable. Yeah, okay,
How do you
I
feel?
see that LED light, but what
Right?
else is
Okay,
going
I'll
on?
turn it off. Oh, by the way, if you
What's it
pause
supposed to
it...
do?
Oh, it's supposed to like brighten and like firm your skin.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I feel
supposed to
younger
do that.
already.
And oh, I forgot to mention, if you pause it, it will resume the same amount, so it doesn't like restart 9 minutes, which is quite nice. It's quite intuitive. It's pretty cool, right? I haven't taken off
What
the...
the
It's such an
heck?
Asian mom thing to not take off the...
Plastic, right? Yeah. You gotta keep it there, you know?
But it's cool, right? You can even see beyond. So you know, like every single night, I just like put on the mask, put on my little skincare, and I pull up myself here and I watch some Bon Appetit, and I just go with the mask
This is
on.
like the Darth Vader mask on. Oh
Yeah,
my god.
I love it. Doesn't it sort of look like Iron Man more? Like when I first saw it, I laughed. And then it looks like
Why?
like Ninja Turtles when you hold it against the light.
Oh yeah, that's because of the eyes.
Because of the
yeah.
eye holes. That's strange. Okay, cool. Alright.
Okay,
Thanks
I'm gonna
for-
watch the movie.
Alright, cool.